Hello, I'm Satish Shukla. You are watching Agribusiness News. Let's start with latest updates. Origin Agritech Limited, an agriculture technology company, announces that its new GMO corn trait has finishes its environmental release trials and is in preparation for production trials. Commenting on the development, Wei Han, Origin VP of Business Development, said, "As China moves toward its GMO positive future, this new corn trait will allow us to competitive in the GMO corn market for many years to come." India International Trade Fair 2021 has already started. Krishi Jagran team has interacted with many business representatives on the first day of the fair. On this note, President of CPAI, Narinder Badwa, share views about the trade fair.
हमारी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है CPI, इसको हम कमोडिटी पार्टिसिपेंट एसोसिएशन ऑफ इंडिया है। ये मेंबर्स और पार्टिसिपेंट्स हैं जो कमोडिटी मार्केट और फाइनेंशियल मार्केट के उसका संगठन है। जैसे आपको पता होगा 2003-4 के अंदर कमोडिटीज़ मार्केट डेरिवेटिव मार्केट्स बनी थी। उसका बेसिक पर्पस जो था वो ये था कि फार्मर्स को मेन स्ट्रीम में कहीं लाया जाए, उनका फाइनेंशियल इंक्लूजन किया जाए और जो पोस्ट हार्वेस्ट जो इश्यूज़ होते हैं फार्मर्स के, उनको उनकी खेती को लेकर उनके उसको लेकर उसको कहीं ना कहीं हेजिंग कराया जाए मार्केट्स के अंदर। तो ये बेसिक पर्पस था जब एक्सचेंजेस बने गए। ये है जो भी पार्टिसिपेंट्स हैं कमोडिटीज़ मार्केट में, चाहे वो यूज़र है, चाहे फार्मर्स हैं, चाहे FPIs हैं या FPOs हैं, उनको हम इन्वॉल्व करें, एडुकेट करें कि कैसे इस मार्केट को वो इफेक्टिवली यूज़ कर सकते हैं उसके अंदर।
Global Smallholder Farmer Value Chain launched HFN Kisan Super App for Indian farmer recently. Company said support farmers involved in horticulture, livestock, poultry and fishery, give farmers access to buyers directly. With fewer, no commission charged to farmers the sales of crop. Support 6 languages, farmers can buy seed, fertilizer, pesticide and tools direct from manufacturers. Farmers can avail loans and insurance from leading service providers, smart sustainable farming advisory in 6 languages. Unlimited rewards and cash back for farmers for using HFN Kisan mobile app. Krishi Jagran organizes a webinar on the topic of how tractor finance is helping farmers. The keynote speaker of this webinar are Devashish Shukla, Chief Manager of Tractor and Finance Division.
In spite of a major chunk involved into agriculture, we are not able to provide the output which India needs, being a developing nation. अगर मैं बात करूँ ट्रैक्टर की, एक इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ ट्रैक्टर इन आवर एग्रीकल्चर, तो वो एक बहुत मेजर रोल है। आज के टाइम में आप देखोगे जिस तरीके से मतलब हर कोई बात कर रहा है, एवरीवन इज फोकस ऑन एग्रीकल्चर, फार्मर्स की बात होती है। बट देन अगर मैं बात करूं कि इतने साल बाद तो बहुत सालों से हो रही है, बट जो मेजर प्रॉब्लम नजर आई हमेशा से, दैट इज द लैक ऑफ अर्बनाइजेशन इन रूरल एरिया।
ICAR-CIFRI organizes a program wherein it distributed essential inputs like fish, seed, lime feed and medicine to a huge number of scheduled caste and scheduled tribe beneficiaries of Sagar Island. The program was organized at the two places, that is Jibuntala and Krishinagar, covering the beneficiaries of 14 villages and 5 Gram Panchayat of Ganga Sagar. The fisheries were provided with various inputs like 36 tons of fish feed, around 100 lakh fish feed and 350 medicines. A survey carried out in the finger millet growing Korapat district of Odisha, India showed a large unmet demand for value-added millet products owing to absence of millet processing unit in the area. Agriset Agribusiness and Innovation Platform took this an opportunity to purpose the establishment of millet processing units to create new entrepreneurial avenues for the predominantly tribal communities in the area, especially for women and youth. Shushmita Samantare, District Product Manager, OLM Koraput, said high nutritional value is hidden in the millet, especially finger millet growing in the tribal areas of Koraput. Agrology recently introduces the first predictive agriculture system that is an effective, affordable and easy to use way to predict and address a variety of critical farming challenges. Agrology recently introduces the first predictive agriculture system that is an effective, affordable and easy to use way to predict and address a variety of critical farming challenges. Agrology patented system includes affordable hyper-signal sensors that capture the full spectrum of agronomic data, machine learning technology and actionable insight beyond Agrology mobile app. Adam Koipal, CEO of Agrology, said, "We develop Agrology to help farmers preemptively mitigate risk. Ultimately, we want to partner with farmers to deliver the predictive insight that will ensure economic viability of farming for generation to come." For more such updates, keep watching Krishi Jagran Business. Thank you.